Here are the supplies you will need: a ruler, scissors, pliers, string, a hook, and 7 rings. Firstly, you grab a ring and your pliers and open the ring. Then you hook that ring onto the hook. And then you proceed to close that ring really tightly so there's no gaps at all. Just like this. Then you have the start of our keyring, a hook and a ring. Then you're going to open another ring, put that ring through the first ring we put on, and then squeeze that ring tight. I struggled a little bit here because it opened a bit too far, so I just had to fix it up a little bit. After this, you should have a hook and 2 rings. Now continue this until you get 7 rings all attached to the hook. Get your string about that long, then hook the string through the bottom hook, and then make sure it's an equal length. Then you're going to tie this twice to make sure it's nice and secure. Mine did get a little bit messed up on the second knot, but that's fine. You can always undo the knot and then just tie again. Once you've tied it, you're going to grab your choice of beads. I've chosen clay beads, and I'm going to be using the purple ones because we're making a purple keyring. When you are threading them, you make sure to thread them through both of the strings so that it's nice and secure and doesn't fall off, basically. It is hard to put the beads through as the clay beads have such a small hole in the middle and the string is so thick, but they do eventually go through. Once you've finished pushing them through, measure them to around 4 to 5 centimeters, because that's what I normally do, and then tie them quite a lot so that it doesn't fall off, and make sure that the knot is bigger than the hole in the clay beads, because otherwise it'll just go through the clay beads and all the clay beads will fall out. And there you have it, a beautiful keyring. Let me know if you want a more in-depth tutorial that is slower.